Thanks for your application. You're now one step closer to a job that celebrates your skills. So, what happens after you send in your CV or resume? And more importantly, how do you increase your chances of landing a job you love and loves you back? This is our hiring process. After applying, our recruiters will pre-screen your application, then reach out to you via mobile within 3 to 5 working days if you get shortlisted. That's why it's a must to provide your correct and updated contact details. Need status updates for your application? Simply follow up by sending an email or a message at our official social accounts in LinkedIn, Facebook, and JobStreet. If you make it through your phone interview, your dedicated recruiter should be able to walk you through all the steps included. Don't hesitate to ask any questions. Step 1. Your profile will be endorsed to our client for review. If you pass, you'll be scheduled for a video interview. Prior to your video interview, preparation is key. Make sure you learn as much about the requirements of the role and about the nature of the business. List down all the questions you might have. If you need resources about the client and the role, ask your recruiter to provide you with more information. Step 2. Did well in your video interview? If you applied for a technical role, the next step are tests called skill assessments. These technical tests vary from one another and are a way to gauge your technical ability. Take your time and do your best. Passing the test could get you a final interview, or better yet, considered as one of the top choices for the position. Take note, not all jobs require you to take skill assessments though. Remember to put your best foot forward to boost your chances of being hired. Step 3. Well done for completing our recruitment process. You can expect our recruiter to call you with a job offer. Don't hesitate to ask all the questions you need to ask and to follow up via social media or through your recruiter if you are sensing any delay. If you did not get the job of your dreams, there are a couple of factors that could have contributed to it. Either another candidate had better fit based on our client's requirements, or it could be a skill, tool, or attribute mismatch. You can always ask for a specific reason if rejected. We also encourage browsing through our careers page for openings. Simply visit careers.emapta.com. You can apply to multiple jobs and ask to be considered for similar openings. We hope you found this video helpful, and best of luck with your application.